I'm Jadea Holloway, owner of Spice Joyride Motorcycle Rentals and Tours, located at APCO Salem Center, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. We offer guided motorcycle tours of the island on 400 and 500cc motorcycles. We opened up in June of 2018, and we've been going strong ever since. We ask the customer what it is they want to see when they take our tour. To do our tour, because we are dealing with motorcycles, not scooters, we do require that the customer has a motorcycle license and know how to ride a bike. Some of our favorite locations are Blue Hole, Spanish Bridge, 9 Mile, Bamboo. We have a package where we have a 2-hour tour, a 4-hour tour, and a all-day VIP tour that culminates at a private beach club. A 2-hour tour is $140 US. A 4-hour tour is $320 US, and the all-day VIP tour is $420 US. You can contact us at www.spicejoyride.com or call the shop directly at 876-942-5741. Also on social media, Spice Joyride at Instagram, Spice Joyride at Facebook, Spice Joyride at TikTok. I am part of a all-female motorcycle club called 4U to Envy. We're out of East Orange, New Jersey, and there are 8 of us. We would come here for vacations and want to ride motorcycles. No one had motorcycles, and my thought was, there has got to be a lot of motorcyclists who come to Jamaica who would love to ride motorcycles and see the island from a different perspective. So because it wasn't anything that was offered, I thought it was something that should be offered. Today we are going to take a small ride up to Vibes River, enjoy the scene. It's a beautiful location. After that, we're going to stop at one of the local spots. So this is the conclusion of our tour. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a good time because I surely did. See you soon.